はい、皆さん、こんにちは。Vince です。Hello everyone, this is Vince. 今日もお元気ですか？ I hope that you're feeling well today. Are you feeling well today? 皆さん、本日ですね、今回ご紹介するのはこちらに表示した漢字です。漢字話題についてお話ししていきたいと思います。Our topic for today is this kanji written here that I would like to introduce to you today as our lesson. 最後まで見てもらえたら嬉しいです。I will be so happy if you will watch this video until its end. 皆さん本日実はこのレッスンは12分いや13分でお話ししていきたいと思います。Actually, 皆さん I would like to discuss this lesson to you in just 13 minutes. So, shall we begin? それでは皆さん早速始めていきましょう。Very well then, let's begin. Actually, 皆さん、if you can observe, as I've said in few weeks ago or several days ago, our elementary grade 1 set number 4 kanji characters are mainly dealing with plants, animals, insects, and humans. So just like the last kanji here, previously discussed kanji, it's all about flower. And now we're discussing a kanji that denotes grass or weeds. Grass, weeds, and the likes. Okay, so let's start. The kanji right here, the subject kanji is written in this manner. Actually, it's 9 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have a kanji writing practice sheet, it is systematically written in this manner. Please follow the correct strokes order. You may screenshot this minasan for details. Our subject kanji here, kusa or so, has the meanings. What are the imi or meanings? It's grass, weeds, herbs. Those are the primary meanings. These meanings here, pasture, right, and draft, those are just derived secondary meanings. Okay, let's go to the readings. The onyomi, so, kunyomi, which is the native Japanese derived reading. Kunyomi is kusa, and we have here the pinyin, Chinese pinyin reading here. The kanji radicals or components involved are these 3 kanji radicals, and oftentimes the one that is written in green font is the one that has the critical effect or the main effect, or largely put an effect on the meaning of the subject kanji, as like here. This kanji radical here written in green font is a grass radical, which is very much related to our topic here. It's kusa kanmori. The fact that the word kanmori was suffixed to kusa means when you use kanmori as a suffix, it means that the radical or component is being placed on the top of the subject kanji character. We have other radicals here or components. Nichi. Take focus on those red fonts, and the ju, 10 or complete. Okay, so let's parse or decompose this kanji character here. So it's being composed, if you divide it into two, it's composed here, composed mainly by these two components here, and between these two components, the one that affects or gives the meaning is this radical right here. Okay, so the ancient drawing or ancient picture, that is the origin of the kanji characters, because kanji characters are really depictions or drawings, ancient drawings. Okay, so, and even the radicals and components, they were derived from ancient drawings or ancient form. Probably, or should I say most probably, during the Shang Dynasty in China. Okay, so let's study this the components, the form explanation. So the subject kanji here, having an onyomi so, having the onyomi so, is composed of these two radicals here that gives the sound so, such, and this hemp plant or grass or vegetation radical. Okay, which hints at the original meaning, newly sprouted vegetation, and this component here just gives the sound. Now I will show you, minasan, that this kanji radical here or component, how it affects or how it is being crucial in relating or recalling the meanings of the kanji characters that it has a critical part on. Okay, so let me show you this, minasan. Let me show you this. Okay. Okay, sorry to have kept you waiting. Okay. Omatase itashimashita. Well, this radical right here has the ancient form here. This is a hemp plant, and it has the sound so. It's a component formed by the long-handed form hemp plant, and the contracted radical form is here. It is composed of two vegetation components, and indicates the original meaning, plants, except trees, because we have a separate radical or component for trees. Okay, original meaning vegetation, except trees, of course. Well, I will show you, minasan, after that radical here affects the meaning of 106 kanji characters in the whole kanji character system, just like here. This wisteria cane plant, and can also mean rattan, and the creeper plant here, to or wisteria cane, and here yo, meaning leaf, petal, page of book, yo, and here raku. The orange font, minasan, is the original meaning, but I suggest you focus more on the one written in white font, which is the actual modern Japanese meaning. Okay, A, which means petal, flower. Actually, minasan, as I have said a while ago, this radical here affects the meaning, or is directly related to the meaning of 106 kanji character within the whole kanji system, just like here. And you can screenshot other kanji characters, but this is nowhere representing the complete list of those 106 kanji characters. But to give you an idea, these are just a glimpse of some kanji characters that uses the grass or hemp plant radical. You can see here, these are JLPTN3 and JLPTN2 kanji characters. You can just screenshot those, minasan. Okay. Okay, going back to our main material, or main reference rather. Okay. Okay, minasan. We're running out of time, and we'll just go to the meaning, directly to the meaning. Original meaning, which is the ancient Chinese meaning, newly sprouted vegetation. Primary meaning for our subject kanji, grass, plant. And the derived secondary meaning, draft, outline, cursive script. Okay, so we go now to our vocabulary. Zaso, meaning weed. Zaso, meaning weed. And here, so-an, meaning draft. Actually, the second kanji here means proposition or suggestion. So-an is draft. Let's say for a speech or a bill, a Congress bill. How about this? Hokuso, pasture grass. So in itself is draft or rough copy. Kusa, which is the very common meaning. Kusa means grass, weeds, herbs, thatch. Okay. How about this? Kusabana, flowering plant. A flower bearing plant. Kusabana. How about this? Katarigusa. Katarigusa is story. Topic. Okay. Story, topic, legend. Okay. And we have here tobacco. Cigarette, tobacco. And we have here zori, a traditional Japanese thronged sandals. Okay, minasan, for other vocabularies here, the others are not so ubiquitous in daily life in Japan. Okay, then perhaps you can accept this, minasan. This is kinda prevalent in modern Japan. This word here. Okay. How about this? So zori, traditional Japanese thronged sandals. Okay. We went on that. Okay. Kusanone means roots of grass, because this kanji here means roots. Kusanone is roots of grass. Okay. Kiso means drafting a bill. Kiso, or drawing up. Sogen is a grass covered plain, or sogen is grass covered prairie or grasslands. Sogen. Okay, minasan. Kusawake, pathfinder, because the wake here means to slice down or part into two a thing, or slice into two something or a thing. Kusawake, pathfinder or trailblazer. Okay. Zaso means weeds. Actually, the first kanji means various or variety. And if we have a variety of grass, it is related. It has this is the first kanji means variety or miscellaneous types. The second kanji means grass or weed. So when you combine these two, it forms weed or weeds. Okay. How about the sentences? Perhaps you can have 3 sentences here. Eat up all your spinach. Horenso wo nokozasu ni tabenasai. Nokozasu ni tabenasai. Horenso wo nokozasu ni tabenasai. Eat all of your spinach. The kozasuni is a negative form of nokos, meaning leaving nothing, leaving nothing. Eat them, leaving nothing. Eat all of your spinach. Horenso is spinach. The wind is blowing on the grass. Kasi nga, kusa wo nabikaseteiru. Kasi nga, kusa wo nabikaseteiru. The wind is blowing on the grass. Okay? Trees do not grow on prairies. Trees do not grow on prairies. Daisoge ni wa ki ga haenai. Ki ga haenai. This the root word here or dictionary form is hairu, meaning to grow a plant from a certain ground or a certain place. Just like here, Daisogen is a very large prairie or very large grassland. Trees do not grow on prairies. Daisogen ni wa ki ga haenai. Okay, for other sentences, minasan, please just screenshot this so that we can save time. Please just screenshot other sentences, minasan. Okay. And for the names, I'll just cite two. Tabako. The subtitle, or rather the furigana, is written in hiragana directly below the kanji, the combination of kanji characters, just like here, michikusa. Okay, for other readings on the names or proper nouns, please just screenshot those. Anyway, the kana writing is indicated directly below the kanji, combination of kanji characters. Okay, please just screenshot those, minasan. And we've reached the last point of our lesson for today. というわけでレッスン終了ということで、レッスンが終わり、レッスンの終了です。今日はここまでです。This is as far as we go, 皆さん。And I appreciate and thank you for supporting me. 高評価とチャンネルに応援してくれて本当にありがとうございました。And I thank you 皆さん for watching this video until the end. 最後までご覧いただき誠にありがとうございました。もしよろしければチャンネル登録ぜひチャンネル登録お願いします。If it is okay, please 皆さん please press that like button and help me grow this channel by subscribing to my channel. では皆さん、今日はここまでです。今日のレッスンはここまでです。終了なんです。I thank you for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one, 皆さん。I'll see you in the next video, 皆さん。では皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。それでは皆さん、バイバイ。ありがとう。バイバイ。